guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess. So for today's video, I'm going to do another mukbang. This one have been going on to the YouTube community. Like, I think it's for ASMR or the mukbang itself. And this is the honeycomb. This is the pure honeycomb or raw honeycomb mukbang. And I got mine at Amazon. I don't know if you are going to eat the wax or not, but it's very sticky, and it's weird to eat the wax because it's sticking in my teeth. Oh. And you guys know that the honeycomb, it has like a hexagonal structure, because I think it's really that help for the bees to collect honey or to produce honey on that way. Oh god, this is hard to eat. Oh. This one tastes like a beeswax, like the one you put in the lip balm, like the medicinal lip balm. So now we're gonna try to eat this with the bread. I personally, when I was working as a waitress, I eat raisin bread with honey. I don't know why, I just like it. I don't know if this is gonna taste good. It's alright. I'd rather have the raisin bread than just a regular bread. Oh. Gosh. Next time, if I'm gonna buy this, I'm gonna buy raisin bread. Ah. So, life update with me, if you guys are interested or not, I'm still gonna tell you guys. I've been busy doing or looking for video ideas, and I have 2 ideas that I just ended up thinking about it, and I did like a poll voting in my Insta story. I posted it yesterday, and then the first one is like pick one, and then it's either gonna pick what do you call this, ColourPop Super Shock Shadows swatches, because I have some collections. I think I have 30 or 40s of them already, and I haven't swatched it like live in a one video. So let me know if you guys wanted to see that too. If you guys are interested, comment below if you guys wanted to see those different kinds of ColourPop Super Shock shadows I have, and see which ones are my favorites too, and which is not that I don't like anymore. And then there's another one that another choice is the my dog picks my full face makeup, something like that. And so far the other people are like voting for that particular wanted my dog or April to pick my full face makeup. So basically my dog is going to pick my full face makeup, and then what do you call this, example is I have 5 different kinds of foundations, and then he's gonna pinpoint which one is the one he's gonna smell, or she's gonna smell first, or she's gonna touch. That's the one I'm gonna use, and so on and so forth with the eyeshadow palette and lipsticks, what do you call that, primer, and etc, etc. So after you suck the honey, it's like the honey, the wax itself, it's like you're eating gum. Oh man, it's too sweet. Oh my gosh. This is making my tongue numb by eating too much sweet. I'm done. This is too much. There's just so much here. I think that's it. I'm done. Oh my gosh. I need water. I feel like my whole mouth is so sticky. I hope you guys like this one. Give this a thumbs up and comment below what you guys think about this raw honeycomb mukbang. And thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.